Hi guys, so today we are at the museum. I think this is the one because that Pato something just invited me here, so um, let's just take a quick look. Okay, so let's see, they have this, they have this, they have this, and all these beautiful pictures. Stare at it. Okay, that's it. Now next, okay. And I guess that